Hello! Thank you so much for choosing Bow Valley College for your future studies. We are so excited to be able to soon consider you part of the Bow Valley College community. This quick video is meant to help you learn about how to best communicate with our team during your application process. Our virtual admission system, where you filled out your application with us, is our one-stop shop for all communications with our team from the time of your application up until the time you receive your letter of acceptance if you qualify to study with us. In order to check on the status of your application or to send us a message, just log into your account by visiting bvc.vasuniverse.com, click on the drop-down menu, Applications, select View Applications, click anywhere on the box shown, and find the link named Send Message. Write your message here for the institution and be sure to click on Save. Our team will get back to you as soon as they can. Not sure if our team has written you back? If you didn't do so when you created your account, you can click on your initial in the top right corner of the page, click on Notifications, and check off all the boxes listed to ensure that you get an email notification if the status of your application has changed, or if our team writes you a message. Our team is working very hard to process your application and to keep you updated. We look forward to welcoming you to Bow Valley College very soon.